We'll guide you through how to change sequence format in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Start by opening your search bar, then type Premiere Pro to find the program on your device. Once it shows up, open Premiere Pro and wait until the software loads fully. When the main window appears, look for the option that says New Project and select it so you can start a fresh workspace. After that, set your project name so the file is easy to find later. Then choose the location where you want to save the project, making sure you place it in a folder you can reach without trouble. When the project opens, go to the bottom part of the panel and press New Item. From the small menu that appears, select Sequence to create the main timeline where you will edit your clips. Premiere Pro will show you several sequence presets, and you can pick the one that matches the footage you plan to use. If you want more control, you can skip the presets and go straight to settings so you can adjust things freely, such as frame rate, resolution, and other technical parts. After you finish setting your sequence, you might want to change it later. If that happens, just find the sequence in the project panel, right-click the sequence, and a menu will appear. From there, select Sequence Settings so you can open the panel where all the key controls are stored. Inside the settings window, you can change the ratio to match the format you need, switch the editing mode to fit your workflow, adjust the display format for timecode, and tune many other details that affect how the sequence behaves. These options help you fix mistakes or adjust your timeline when the needs of your project shift. Once you are done making changes, check everything one more time to make sure the values are correct, then click OK to confirm the new setup. This applies all your changes and updates the sequence so you can continue editing without needing to create a new one. By following each step in this exact order, you set up a clean and organized project that gives you full control over how your sequence works. Taking time to understand where each option is located will help you work faster and avoid issues later in the edit. With the project saved, the sequence set, and the settings tuned, your editing space is ready for importing clips, cutting footage, adding effects, and building your final video as you move forward.